If you believe that doubling your income is just a dream, you are missing out on powerful strategy. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 concrete investment moves that can help you transform your financial future in just 12 months. First, let's talk about index funds. Index funds can be a game changer for your investment strategy. These funds track a specific index, like the S&P 500, providing access to a wide variety of companies with just one investment. Imagine putting $1 into an S&P 500 index fund. Historically, this index has returned about 10 annually. In just 1 year, that could grow to around $1.10. Here's the strategy. If you invest consistently each month, you can amplify your earnings. Consider contributing $500 monthly. In a year, that totals $6. And with a 10 return, your investment could grow to approximately $6.60. Keep this up, and over time, the compounding could significantly boost your wealth. Now, I challenge you to set up automatic monthly contributions to an index fund. This is a simple yet powerful way to build your financial future. Next, let's explore real estate crowdfunding. This is a strategy that allows you to invest in real estate with smaller amounts of money. Traditional real estate investments can be heavy on the wallet and complex, but crowdfunding platforms open doors. Picture this. You invest $2 in a real estate project through one of these platforms. With a 12 return, your investment could rise to about $2.24 in a year. The beauty lies in diversification. You can invest in multiple projects at once. Imagine being part of several real estate opportunities simultaneously. By spreading your investments, you not only reduce risk, but also increase potential return. I challenge you to research one crowdfunding platform this week and consider making a small investment. Take that first step towards real estate investing. Now let's discuss peer-to-peer lending. This innovative approach can be a fantastic way to generate income. It involves lending your money to individuals or businesses through online platforms. If you lend $1 at an average interest rate of 10 for a year, you could earn $100 in interest. But here's the strategy. Diversify that $1 across 10 different borrowers. By spreading the risk, you safeguard your capital while increasing your chances of earning interest from multiple sources. However, it's crucial to be diligent. Not every borrower will repay their loan, so choosing reliable ones is key. I challenge you to investigate peer-to-peer lending platforms and consider lending a small amount. This could be an effective tool for generating income. The fourth strategy I recommend is investing in dividend stocks. These are shares in companies that provide you with a portion of their profits regularly. They can create a steady income stream. Consider investing $5 in a company with a 4 dividend yield. In 1 year, you could earn $200 just for holding those shares. Here's the strategy. Reinvest those dividends to purchase more shares, which can lead to compounding growth. Now think bigger. If you build a portfolio of several dividend-paying stocks, you could generate significant income over time. I challenge you to research and select 2 dividend stocks to invest in this month. This decision can help in accumulating wealth. Finally, let's address the importance of investing in yourself. Education is one of the most valuable investments you can make. Whether it's taking courses to enhance your skills or obtaining certifications for better job prospects, investing in your knowledge pays off. Imagine paying $1 for a certification that opens doors to a job, paying $10 more annually. That's a fantastic return on investment. The strategy here is clear. Enhance your skill set to become more marketable and increase your earning potential. I challenge you to enroll in a course or workshop this month that can elevate your career. This investment in yourself can lead to significant income growth. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on the bigger picture. Doubling your income doesn't rely on a single brilliant investment move. It's about applying diverse strategies and making informed decisions. that align with your financial goal. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how you manage and grow your money. As a challenge to you, pick one of these investment moves and commit to implementing it this week. Whether that's researching index funds, signing up for a crowdfunding platform, or starting a side hustle, take that first step. The world of investing may seem daunting, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can transform your financial future. Lastly, don't forget to track your progress along the way. This will keep you motivated and help you make necessary adjustments. If you find this information valuable, hit subscribe to ensure you don't miss more powerful strategies that can change your financial game. In conclusion, doubling your income in 12 months is not just a dream, it is achievable with the right investment moves. These 5 strategies can set you on the path to financial growth and independence. Invest wisely, stay informed, and remember, your financial future is in your hands.